Is your credit score holding you back? Or maybe debt feels like it's taking over your life? Don't worry, you're not alone and there's help. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful platforms to help you rebuild your credit, manage debt effectively, and take control of your financial future. First up, ScoreRevive.com, your partner in credit restoration. If your credit score has taken a hit, ScoreRevive is here to help. They offer personalized strategies to dispute errors on your credit report, build positive credit history, and improve your score over time. Their team walks you through every step, making it easy to bounce back and unlock better financial opportunities. Next, we have ReorgDebt.com, an excellent tool for debt management. Overwhelmed by multiple bills or high-interest debt, ReorgDebt helps you consolidate your debt, negotiate with creditors, and create manageable repayment plans. They simplify the process so you can focus on reducing stress and building a brighter financial future. Finally, let's talk about YouthCreditAcademy.com, an educational platform dedicated to teaching young adults the essentials of credit and debt management. From understanding how credit works to avoiding debt pitfalls, their interactive courses empower you to make informed financial decisions. It's never too early or too late to build financial literacy. There you have it. 3 game-changing platforms to help you rebuild your credit, manage your debt, and secure financial stability. Whether you need expert credit restoration with ScoreRevive.com, debt solutions from ReorgDebt.com, or education through YouthCreditAcademy.com, these resources have you covered. Ready to take control of your finances? Check out these sites today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. See you in the next episode.